Good morning, YouTube. What's been happening? How's everyone been? Anyway, today I'm going to go out and take the GTR for a spin, but it bloody won't start. It's not starting. I've not driven it for 3 weeks, and I think what's happened is the battery's gone flat, and I'm going to have to jump start it. So I don't know if you can see. There we go. That's the jump leads, and it's stuck in the garage, and you can't even move it. So I've got the jump leads ready, and I think I'm going to get my dad to give me a hand with this. But this is the problem with having a second car. Basically, you don't get to drive it as much. I've got a daily driver, so the GTR is just like a Sunday car. But it's annoying because then high performance car you expect it to start, but basically the battery's gone flat, and we're gonna have to give it a jump start. So I'm gonna try and start it now, and I'll show you guys what happens when I try and start it. The alarm goes off, but you'll see what happens next. That's the alarm going off. So the alarm's off, and I'm going to try and start it now. Basically, you press the start button to start it. So when you press this, you can see the radio goes on. The ignition lights go on as well. But see, I've got my finger pressed on the button, and nothing is happening. It's not starting at all, so we're gonna have to give it a jump start. It's weird because, you know, you can hear the music. You can hear the music playing, but it's not starting. So I'm just gonna try and get my dad's car over and give it a jump start. So before we give it a jump start, I've just checked the tyre pressure on all 4 tyres, and everything seems to be spot on using this excellent tyre pressure monitor. Basically, when the GTR has been sitting for a while, it loses tyre pressure, and the monitor inside the vehicle always comes up when you haven't driven it. It's a common problem with GTRs, but since I changed the tyres to Michelin tyres, it's become more of a problem. I think the standard Dunlop tyres cope better with the weight of the car. So I think it's the once these tyres are gone, I'm going to switch back to the original Dunlop tyres, because I just feel as if constantly I'm always every week, every couple of weeks, changing the pressure on the tyres. Whereas when I had the Dunlop ones, I wasn't really changing, having to fill them up that much, really, to be honest. So my dad's just reconnecting the leads. Say hello.
We'll let it run for a minute.
Okay.
So that it gives a chance for the battery to be recharged.
Okay.
And then we will jump start it.
Okay. Yes, sir. Go.
In the meantime, I'll clean my engine bay so it does look nice and shiny. Thank you.
So is it quite dirty just now?
Yes. It'll be fine.
And you can see from the engine cover there's a lot of dust on there, so we're just going to give that a clean. Check this out, twin turbo power helping the Nissan GTR back to life again. Shall I start it now?
Yes, please do.
So this is the second attempt at starting. Not much happening at all. So finally we've got the GTR started after a few attempts. So I've learned one lesson, and I need to drive my car more often. So Dad, give it a rev. let everyone watching at home listen to this beautiful car. As you can hear, it's fully back to life, so we'll I'm just going to take it out for a test drive. Just letting it warm up, and I'm going to take it out for a wee drive. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, make some comments, and we will see you guys on the next one.